competition for AI and other things, and they're coming in at the highest level. We're joined by Oracle Executive Chairman Larry Ellison, SoftBank CEO, my friend Masayoshi Son, and CEO of OpenAI, and I would say by far the leading expert based on everything I read, Sam Altman. So that's great that you're coming in together. That's a massive...
The kind of applications that we're building, to give you an idea, maybe the most charismatic and the one that I think touches us all is electronic health records, not just maintaining electronic health records, but by looking at electronic health records, understanding the condition of doctors, better understanding the condition of their patients, and being able to provide healthcare plans that are much better than they otherwise would be.
I came to celebrate your winning and promised that we will invest $100 billion. And you told me, oh, Masa, go for 200. Yeah. Now I came back with 500. Because this is the, as you said yesterday, this is the beginning of golden age of America.
With the fight against the various problems, diseases, etc.
I believe that as this technology progresses, we will see diseases get cured at an unprecedented rate. We will be amazed at how quickly we're curing this cancer and that one and heart disease, and what this will do for the ability to deliver very high quality healthcare, the costs, but really to cure the diseases.
On January 21st, 2025, President Donald Trump unveiled the Stargate Project, a monumental $500 billion investment aimed at revolutionizing artificial intelligence infrastructure in the United States. This joint venture is created by SoftBank, OpenAI, Oracle, and MGX. SoftBank and OpenAI are the lead partners for Stargate, with SoftBank having financial responsibility and OpenAI having operational responsibility. Masayoshi Son will be the chairman. The Stargate project intends to invest $500 billion over the next 4 years, building new AI infrastructure for OpenAI in the United States. Starting with $100 billion immediate deployment, this infrastructure will secure American leadership in AI, create hundreds of thousands of American jobs, and generate massive economic benefit for the entire world. This project will not only support the reindustrialization of the United States, but also provide a strategic capability to protect the national security of America and its allies. ARM, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Oracle, and OpenAI are the key initial technology partners. The build-out is currently underway, starting in Texas, and they are evaluating potential sites across the country for more campuses as they finalize definitive agreements. As part of Stargate, Oracle, NVIDIA, and OpenAI will closely collaborate to build and operate this computing system. This builds on a deep collaboration between OpenAI and NVIDIA, going back to 2016, and a newer partnership between OpenAI and Oracle. This also builds on the existing OpenAI partnership with Microsoft. OpenAI will continue to increase its consumption of Azure as OpenAI continues its work with Microsoft, with this additional compute to train leading models and deliver great products and services. The Stargate team look forward to continuing to build and develop AI, and in particular AGI, for the benefit of all of humanity. They believe that this new step is critical on the path and will enable creative people to figure out how to use AI to elevate humanity. Advocates of the project believe that advancements in AI could lead to significant breakthroughs, such as curing diseases like cancer.
We said from the very beginning we were going to go after AGI at a time when in the field you weren't allowed to say that because that just seemed impossibly crazy.
I remember a rash of criticism for you guys at that moment.
We really wanted to push on that, and we were
far less resourced than DeepMind and others. And so we said, okay, they're gonna try a lot of things and we've just got to pick one and really concentrate. And that's how we can win here. Most of the world still does not understand the value of like a fairly extreme level of conviction on one bet. That's why I'm so excited for startups right now. It is because the world is still sleeping on all of this to such an astonishing degree.
AGI is basically the equivalent of a median human that you could hire as a coworker. And then they could say do anything that you'd be happy with a remote coworker doing, like just behind a computer, which includes learning how to go be a doctor, learning how to go be a very competent coder. Like there's a lot of stuff that a median human is capable of getting good at. And I think one of the skills of an AGI is not any particular milestone, but the meta skill of learning to figure things out and that it can go decide to get good at whatever you need. So for me, that's kind of like AGI. And then super intelligence is when it's smarter than all of humanity put together.
Thanks.
However, the project has sparked discussions about its environmental impact, as the energy demands of such large-scale data centers are substantial. Notably, Elon Musk has expressed skepticism regarding the project's funding and execution, highlighting the diverse opinions within the tech community.
For Stargate. Let's bring in Max Chafkin, who knows a thing or two about this feud, and it's going on online.
Yeah, Elon Musk, Sam Altman, of course, co-founders of OpenAI back when it was a nonprofit. Elon Musk and Sam Altman are now locked in a lawsuit over that beginning and are competitors. The thing we saw starting yesterday is Elon Musk going on Twitter and essentially saying that this big announcement, this, day 3 of the Trump presidency, this big plan to create $100 billion or even $500 billion worth of AI infrastructure is not true. He called the news fake. He said that Sam Altman is a, quote, swindler. And then he posted a series of messages suggesting that Altman was secretly some sort of liberal at a time when Altman has been attempting to have sort of a Trumpy evolution. Really unusual in the sense that normally you don't see the criticism of the big White House announcement coming from inside the White House.
The Stargate Project represents a bold step into the future of AI, with the potential to reshape industries and impact millions of lives. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this groundbreaking journey.